Provost Somaiya Vidya Vihar and Vice Chancellor Somaiya Vidya Vihar University to welcome our guests for the 63rd Foundation Day. Pillai sir.
Good morning and good evening to everybody. First of all, let me join all of you in paying tributes to the founder of this great institution, Somaiya Vidya Vihar, Padma Bhushan, K.J. Somaiya, and also his son, late Dr. S.K. Somaiya, for strengthening the foundation of this institution and all those who have contributed to the strengthening of the Somaiya Vidya Vihar education institutions. Let me welcome, of course, the chief guest of the day, Dr. Tom Knight, who is an exponent of synthetic biology, a computer engineer, organic chemist, and biologist, to deliver the Foundation Day address today. We are extremely privileged to have you, Dr. Tom Knight, today with us for giving the Foundation Day lecture on the 63rd Foundation Day. Somaiya Vidya Vihar institutions have been in existence, of course, since 1942. We are in existence, but in the higher education sector, we entered in 1959, and thereafter we have been part of the great universities in this country. Mumbai University, the 500 years old university, Mumbai University, Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, Kavikulu Kalidas University, and of course our own now recently, our own Somaiya Vidya Vihar University since 2019. We have been part of the Technical Education Board of the state. We have been part of the Central Board of Secondary Education in the country. We have been part of the state education system in the country, the vernacular education system in the country. We have been part of other socially relevant institutions, national bodies, and all that. Our institutions have been excelling in all spheres of their activities. Whether it be accreditation from national agencies, we are in the top. Whether it be recognition, whether it be on placement of students, we are definitely on the top. Our institutions individually and collectively have achieved almost everything which is possible in higher education, whether it be in sports, whether it be in culture, whether it be in education, or in a way, in all spheres of activities which are intended to enhance the quality of life and life management systems. We are responsibly engaging. That word deliberately I have been using. We are responsibly engaged in education. Looking at the requirements of education. What is the overall purpose of education? Our father of the nation used to say, education is for life. Education has to be through life. Education has to be throughout life. He also mentioned that education is life itself. So that is precisely the thing which we are definitely looking at right from the very, very beginning. We promote social cohesion. That's very social cohesion. If you just look at the diversity of our institutions, the students, teachers, you will see that you will see students from all parts of the country, of course, now to a limited extent from the world also. We are promoting as a university now. We have much more freedom. Our motto is freedom of possibilities. Of course, our overall motto, of course, is knowledge alone liberates. Jnana devatu kaivalyam. We also in the university promotes possibilities in all ways. So I am extremely glad that our Chancellor, the President of the Somaiya Vidya Vihar Trust, the trustees of the Somaiya Vidya Vihar, the governing board members of the Somaiya Vidya Vihar institutions, the board of management members of the different institutions, the academic council members, academic advisory committee board members, board of studies members. They, of course, you will see the cross section of the education society in the world and in India in all these bodies. Let me welcome all of them, all of those guests to this function, to this 63rd Foundation Day celebrations. Let me welcome particularly our own students and teachers and non-teaching staff who have joined these institutions during the last 2 years during this corona situation. We have not seen them, maybe 99% of them, we have not seen them, but for their benefit, I am saying about these institutions. It's a remarkable institution. It is the hard work and dedicated work and also work with passion from top to bottom that we have achieved these capabilities. And I am very confident that strengthening education through this model would be a great thing for not only for Indian institutions, but institutions all over the world. Let me welcome each and every one of you. Of course, I don't have to welcome our own family, but let me welcome all our guests of the Somaiya Vidya Vihar family for this Foundation Day, 63rd Foundation Day. This Foundation Day is remarkable in several ways. For example, of course, I mentioned about the university coming into existence 2 years back, but then we have very many new things very many new institutions in the campus, very many new institutions and new programs which are very relevant in the campus. And we have also seen a paradigm shift in our approach in education because of the corona compulsions we have, and also we have responded. Our health institutions, our medical institutions, all these institutions responded in a very big way to just alleviate the pain of the society in a very big way. And in addition to that, we are excelling in education. Probably we are gathering a lot of inputs from our experiences in this corona situation to strengthen our education system, not only with technology, but with an understanding of the life around. Thank you very much. Let me wish us all a happy Foundation Day. I'm very confident that the type of activities which we are engaged in and the philosophy behind this education will make it a great one. Thank you very much once again.